Hi, I'm John Stevenson, the Guaranteed Retirement Guy, and I get this question a lot. When is an annuity necessary? Okay, do I really need an annuity? Well, some people do need annuities, and frankly, some don't, right? Okay, obviously, I'm the Guaranteed Retirement Guy, but really, when would you need an annuity? When is it a good idea to get one? Well, I would say probably one of the best reasons to me is if you want guarantees as part of your portfolio. If you're okay with everything being in risk and you're okay with everything going up and down and not having a sure, hey, here's what my income is going to be for the rest of my life, I'm guaranteed it'll never go down. If you're not that person, then maybe an annuity isn't right for you, right? Okay. It's the same thing with life insurance. If you got $50 million and you don't need life insurance to cover needs if you die, and really the only reason why you need it at that point is to cover your taxes, right? Your estate taxes if you die. So that's the thing, is you really have to ask yourself, is it necessary? Most of the people I talk to, though, however, find annuities are necessary because they want guarantees as part of their portfolio. Okay, they want to make sure that if something happens to the rest of their portfolio, if the market takes a 30% dive or even more, that their income needs are covered. Okay, and that's a big deal. Peace of mind, it's hard to put a price on that. Yeah, annuities don't pay you as much, like as far as like if it's an index annuity, it's not going to pay you as much if the market goes up 10%. You might get 7, right? You're not going to get as much. Of course, if the market drops, you're not going to lose a dime because of the market going down either. Okay, so that's the upside of an annuity. So you give some, you give some to get some, right? And so that's really how annuities work. They provide the guarantees, and yeah, in return, they're not going to give you as much market growth. But if you are looking for something that just is level and gives you some guaranteed income, or maybe you don't need income, maybe you're just looking for some growth and market protection, well, you can get that too. So usually, rule of thumb, people say that they don't want any more than 50% of their assets, their liquid assets, into an annuity. And I would say that's a good spot to be at. But there are some people where it's necessary to put up to 70 to 80%. And I try not to put people into that because I want them to have as much liquid outside of it as possible. But sometimes they're kind of at a spot in their life where they need the income more than anything else. And they still have some liquidity. And the insurance company definitely wants to make sure you have enough liquidity outside of that contract so that if something happens, you don't dive into the annuity instead of your savings, right? They want to make sure you have adequate savings. So that is a big deal. And if you don't have adequate savings, they're not going to sell you the annuity. Okay. So, but yeah, I would say a good spot. I mean, if you've got, a lot of people would love to be in this spot where they got like $3 or $4 million and they can put 50% of it into an annuity, gives them guaranteed income, and they don't have to worry about anything at all. And they can leave the rest of their money in the market, let it ride. And it's perfect. It's a great strategy because you have this other account that's riding with the market. It's going to go up. It's going to help you beat inflation. And then you got this other account that's an annuity that gives you guarantees that no matter what happens over here, this is going to be constant. It's going to be constant. Hopefully like the love of your life or the love from my wife. It's constant. She always loves me regardless of what I do, right? If I'm up or down, right? We all got bad days and we all got good days, but her love is constant. Well, it's nice to have that guarantee, right? And that's what annuity provides. So if you're looking for guarantees, you're looking for longevity risk protection, okay? You want to make sure you do not outlive your money, then an annuity absolutely does make sense. Okay. And there's nothing wrong with not making as much over here with the annuity as you are with the market. Because when the market's down over here and it's down in the dumps, it's a whole lot better for your peace of mind knowing that you got income coming in, guaranteed, that's never stopping. That check's coming in every single month. Okay. It's really, really hard to put a price on that. So if that resonates with you and you want to chat some more and you're thinking, hey, I want to talk to John. I know he's going to show me all the annuities, and he's going to show me even the ones that pay him less commission. Yes, I'll do that. Then book a call with me. Okay, there's a link below this video, and it goes directly to my calendar. We'll talk. I'll answer your questions. And if an annuity makes sense, I'm happy to set it up for you. I'd love to help you. But if not, then that's no problem too, okay? I want to be here to help you make that decision, but also be able to give you all of the products, okay? Let you see everything that's available on the market so you can make the best decision for yourself, okay? Don't let your advisor make your decision. Okay, don't let them think about themselves and their commissions and try to sell you the product that's best for them and okay for you. Okay, pick an advisor that's going to be in your corner, that's going to show you absolutely everything, regardless of what he's being paid, and is willing to sell it to you, and not sit here and try to convince you to buy another one that's secretly going to pay him more and he's not telling you about it. Okay, don't work with someone like that. You've worked too hard for your money to make someone else rich. Okay, it's better to work with someone who's going to take care of you. Okay, I do just fine myself, and I'm okay selling annuities that pay me a lesser commission if it's best for the client. Okay, it's just fine. And that's the way everyone should work. Unfortunately, not everyone does. And I'm a certified financial fiduciary, so I have to, right? I want to, but I have to also. So if that makes sense, you want to book a call, okay? There's a link below the video, and we'll get together, okay? So again, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.